Hey guys, today we're gonna take you somewhere really special. It's called Cachoiera da Panagro in the state of Parana in Brazil. Cachoeira da Panagro is a waterfall in the middle of the Mata Atlantica. An incredible place with a 5-tier waterfall. Okay, the access was not the easiest, but come on, isn't this just amazing? We were very lucky on that day. Very beautiful, very hot. The waterfall was just a delight. Selfie time. We spent the whole day dipping, snacking, and mainly exploring the whole area. The waterfall is in the Mata Atlantica, in a very preserved area, and the jungle is just amazing. Crazy trees, crazy vegetation. We heard toucan. So beautiful. Once again, Brazil is impressive by its natural beauty. This country is so beautiful. The trail was not the easiest trail, but we had so much fun and it was such a good exercise. Well, that was really an amazing day. We're happy we shared it with you. We hope you guys liked the video and we'll see you soon for another incredible place.